I have some bad news for you. Did you know that, well, if you make your bed immediately after you wake up, you are actually trapping millions of microscopic dust mites inside your sheets?
Wait. Hang on. Stop. Are you are you telling me that being messy is actually hygienic?
According to science, yes. Basically, if you leave your bed messy, the light and air kill the mites. If you make it perfectly, you are basically creating a cozy hotel for bugs.
That is the best news I have heard all year. Finally, my laziness is justified by science. I am never making my bed again.
Well, I think you were just looking for an excuse.
I am absolutely looking for an excuse, but sorry, I cut you off. Go ahead.
No, it's okay. I was just going to say you're just looking for an excuse to be lazy. But honestly, it is shocking, right? We have so many rules about our daily routines that might be wrong.
It really is. And that is what we are talking about today. The daily routine, the grind from the moment we open our eyes until we crash at night.
Exactly. So let's go back to the very beginning. The alarm clock. We touched on this before, but I want to talk about the sound. What sound does your alarm make? Is it music or is it that terrible beep, beep, beep sound?
Oh, it's the beep. Definitely the beep. It sounds like a nuclear warning siren. It gives me a heart attack every morning at 7 a.m.
That sounds terrible. Why don't you change it to, I don't know, birds singing or ocean waves?
Because if it sounds like ocean waves, I will just dream that I'm on a beach and I will keep sleeping. I need the panic. I need the fear to wake me up.
See, I'm the opposite. I have a sunrise alarm. The light in my room slowly gets brighter for 30 minutes before the sound starts. It's supposed to mimic the sun.
Wow, look at you. Mimic the sun. That sounds very expensive and actually, does it even work?
Usually, unless I stayed up too late watching Netflix, then nothing works. But okay, so you wake up in a panic, you get out of bed. What is the bathroom situation?
Chaos. Controlled chaos. I share the bathroom with my brother, so it's always a race. Whoever gets there first gets the hot water.
Oh no, the hot water runs out?
If he showers first, yes, I am left with lukewarm water. It's not freezing, but it's just sad. It's a sad shower.
That is tragic. I spend way too much time in the bathroom, not showering, but just staring at the mirror, trying to decide if I look awake enough to face the world.
Do you have a skincare routine? I feel like that is very popular now. 10 steps, 3 different creams, a special oil.
I try to. I wash my face. I put on, moisturizer. And then I usually forget the rest. But I do brush my teeth religiously. I am terrified of the dentist.
Same here. But here's a weird question. Do you wet the toothbrush before you put the toothpaste on or after?
Before, obviously, you have to clean the brush.
See, I do both. Wet, toothpaste, wet again.
That is too much water. You're washing the toothpaste away.
No, I'm not. It makes it foam better. Okay, look, we will never agree on this. Let's move to the wardrobe, the closet, getting dressed.
Oh, the hardest part of the morning.
Why? You have so many clothes.
I have clothes, but I have nothing to wear. It's different. I look at my closet and I think, I hate everything I own.
I think everyone feels that way. I have a system. I just pick the shirt on the top of the pile.
The top of the pile method. Very risky. What if it doesn't match your pants?
Then I look like a clown for the day. I don't care. Comfort is king. But I do have a problem with socks. The sock monster lives in my house.
The sock monster?
You know, when you put two socks in the washing machine, but only one comes out, where do they go? I have a drawer full of single, lonely socks.
It's one of the great mysteries of the universe. I actually just buy all black socks. That way they always match.
That is actually genius. You are solving all my life problems today.
I try. Okay, so we are dressed. We probably skipped breakfast because we are late. Now, the commute. How do you get to work?
I drive. And let me tell you, I turn into a different person when I drive.
Oh, really? Do you get road rage?
A little bit. I am usually a calm guy, but when someone cuts me off in traffic, or when people drive slowly in the fast lane, I start shouting.
Shouting at people who can't hear you?
Exactly. I am sitting alone in my car, yelling, "Move over!" It's very therapeutic, actually. What about you? Do you drive?
No, I take the bus, which has its own problems.
Like what?
The people. There is always one person who is talking loudly on their phone. Hey, Mom! Yeah, I'm on the bus! We can all hear his entire conversation. It's so awkward.
I hate that. Or the person playing music without headphones.
Yes, why do people do that?
So I usually just put my own noise-canceling headphones on and listen to podcasts.
Podcasts are a lifesaver. It makes the time go faster.
Sometimes, if I'm driving and a good song comes on, I do car karaoke.
You sing?
I perform. I give a full concert to the steering wheel. People in other cars look at me like I am crazy, but
That
I don't care.
I love that confidence. Okay, so we have survived the traffic. We arrive at work or school. What is the first thing you do?
I sigh, a big, deep breath, and then I turn on my computer, and I wait for it to load.
The slow start. I usually check my emails first, and it's always a disaster. You know those reply all emails?
The worst. When someone sends an email to the whole company saying, "There is cake in the kitchen," and then 50 people reply,
Wait, hold on. Did you say cake?
"Sorry?
You said cake in the kitchen. Is there actually cake?
No, sorry to disappoint you. It was just an example."
Oh, that is disappointing. I got excited for a second.
Sorry, but yeah, the emails drive me crazy. But speaking of food, let's talk about lunch. Do you bring lunch or buy it?
I try to be good. On Sundays, I tell myself I will meal prep. I will make salads for the whole week.
And does it happen?
On Monday, yes. On Tuesday, maybe. By Wednesday, I am buying a sandwich. I get lazy.
Buying lunch is dangerous, though. It's so expensive now. If I buy a coffee and a sandwich every day, suddenly I have no money left for rent.
That's true. It adds up. But sometimes you just need to get out of the office. You need fresh air.
That's true. I usually eat at my desk, though. I call it the sad desk salad. I type with one hand and eat lettuce with the other.
That is depressing. You need a break. If you don't take a break, you hit the afternoon slump.
Oh, the 2:30 p.m. crash. I know it well.
It's like clockwork. At 2:30, my brain just stops working, I stare at the screen, and nothing makes sense.
That is when I need sugar, a chocolate bar, a cookie, anything.
Me too. I wander around the office looking for snacks. It's like a hunter-gatherer instinct, but for donuts.
And then finally, 5 p.m. comes. Freedom!
But is it freedom? Because after work, you have to do chores.
Don't say that word. I'm allergic to chores.
We all are, but the dishes don't wash themselves. Do you do them right away or let them pile up?
I let them soak, you know? I put water in the pan and say, it needs to soak. It's a lie. I just don't want to scrub it.
I knew it. Soaking is the international symbol for procrastination.
Guilty. But my biggest problem is laundry. Not washing it. Washing is easy. The problem is putting it away.
Fold.
Yes. So I have the chair.
The chair.
You know, the chair. Everyone has one. It's a chair in the corner of the bedroom. I dump all the clean clothes on it, and I just pick clothes off the chair for the next week.
That is hilarious because it is so true. The chair is like a halfway house for clothes. They aren't dirty, but they aren't in the closet.
Exactly. It's a system. It works.
Until you need to sit on the chair.
I never sit on that chair. That chair belongs to the clothes now.
Okay, so after you ignore the laundry and you eat dinner, what is your evening like? We talked about revenge bedtime procrastination last time, but what do you actually watch?
I am stuck in a loop of watching old TV shows. I've watched The Office or Friends maybe 10 times.
Really? Why not watch something...
Oh, sorry, you go.
No, go ahead. You were going to say because...
I was just going to say, because it's comfort. My brain is tired from work. I don't want to follow a new plot. I don't want to learn new character names. I just want to know what happens. It makes me feel safe.
That makes sense. That is actually a very common psychological thing. It's called comfort viewing. It lowers anxiety.
See, I am not lazy. I am managing my anxiety. I am practically a doctor.
Sure, let's go with that. I am different. I doom scroll.
Doom scrolling, that is when you scroll through bad news on your phone, right?
Yeah, or just useless videos. I will watch videos of people cutting soap or power washing driveways for hours. It's hypnotic.
The algorithm knows us too well. It's scary.
It is. And then suddenly it's midnight and we have to do it all again tomorrow.
Circle of life.
But weekends, we haven't talked about weekends. Weekends are the prize.
Friday night is the best feeling in the world. The possibilities are endless. I always make big plans. I am going to hike. I am going to learn French. I am going to clean the garage.
And what do you actually do?
I sleep until noon and play video games.
Expectations versus reality. But honestly, doing nothing is also a valid activity. We are so obsessed with being productive all the time. Sometimes you just need to rot.
Bed rotting. That's another new term, isn't it? Staying in bed all day with snacks?
It sounds gross, but it feels amazing. Just for one day, though. If you do it for 2 days, you feel like a potato.
A mashed potato.
Exactly. So, for our listeners, we have covered a massive amount of vocabulary today. We talked about commute, road rage, meal prep, the afternoon slump, and doom scrolling.
And the laundry chair. Don't forget the laundry chair. It is an important piece of furniture.
It is cultural heritage.
So here is your homework for this week. Look at your daily routine. Find one thing you want to change and one thing you are happy with.
Maybe you want to stop hitting snooze, or maybe you want to start meal prepping, or maybe you just want to accept that your laundry chair is permanent.
Whatever it is, say it in English. Narrate your life. I am sitting in traffic. I am eating a sad desk salad.
It makes the boring stuff a little bit more interesting.
Well, I am going to go now. I think I left some clothes in the washing machine 3 days ago. I probably need to wash them again.
Ugh, that smell is going to be terrible. Good luck with that.
Thanks. I'll need it.